If you're Cantonese, you probably already know what this is. This is 豆豉鯪鱼, 豆豉鯪鱼. It's fried dace soaked with fermented black beans. It may not sound like much, but it's actually great with fried rice and fried vegetables. And also, it's a cultural icon here in South China. This is so famous, of course, not only just because it's tasty. Back in the late 19th century, this was the first foodstuff that's ever been canned in China, and even predating that, this fried fish was already on American soil and consumed in Chinatowns globally. So back in mid-19th century, many Cantonese started to go to American West Coast during the gold rush. Among many things that they brought with them are this kind of fried fish. So back in the days, it was a long and trying journey crossing the Pacific. So in order to feed themselves, they would get some days, fry it up, and soak it in oil with some fermented black beans and toss it in a clay jar. And that's the stuff that they would bring on board with them. As the years went on, this stuff became a mainstay on Cantonese merchant vessels. And in the year 1893, China's first canned food factory, Guangmaoheng, was founded in Guangzhou. The very first product that they launched was this fried fish with fermented black beans. And later in 1902, the factory registered the brand Eagle Coin. And over the century, that became the very can that we came to know and love. History aside, let's talk about how to enjoy it. Well, the most classic way is to eat it along with white rice and congee. That alone is a guaranteed rice killer. But using it to fry rice or stir-fry vegetable are two other classics that you will often see, and let's show you how to make it. First, fry rice. Now take a can of fish, get one fish out, and finely dice it into about rice grain size. And then take out 1 tablespoon of douchi, set it aside. Next, finely mince 2 cloves of garlic. And now get 250 grams of steamed rice ready. You can check out the video here to see how to make it. And now we can stir fry the rice. First, 龙药. Get your wok piping hot, shut off the heat, add in the oil, here about 1 tablespoon. Give it a swirl to get a nice non-stick surface. Heat on low now. Add in your garlic, douchi, and fish. Fry it slowly till the garlic is slightly golden brown and everything starts to smell real nice. Then add in the rice. Swap the flame to high, fry for about 2 minutes, and then season with a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, swirl in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, mix it real well, and heat off. Your fried rice is done. Savory umami with the douchi and fish providing flavor and texture to every bite. This is the kind of fried rice that can never go wrong. Now let's fry some vegetables with it. So you can play around with different kinds of veggies, but yao mak choy, Taiwanese lettuce, or bitter melon are two classics. And here today we have 300 grams of yao mak choy. Tear it in half, separate the stems and the leaves. And now take out your can of fish. Take out about half a fish, give it a rough chop. And then take out about 1 tablespoon of the douchi and scoop out also 1 tablespoon of the oil. And then slice 2 cloves of garlic and 1-inch ginger into pieces. And now we can start frying. First, 龙药. Get your wok piping hot, shut off the heat, add in the oil, here about 1 tablespoon, give it a swirl to get a nice non-stick surface. Now heat on high, add in the aromatic, quickly fry, and then immediately add the stems in. Fry it for about 2 minutes or until it obviously softens. And then add in the leaves, fry it together for about half a minute. Then scoosh the vegetable to the side, add in the douchi beans and fish chunks, swirl in some liaojiu aka Shaoxing wine, give it a quick mix, and then we can season with a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, and swirl in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Give it another mix, and then toss in the oil that we took out previously from the can. Quick mix, heat off and out. Now your stir-fried vegetables is done. It's still crunchy, it's not watery, and it absorbs the flavor from the canned fish so nicely. It's really one of my top 5 stir-fried vegetable dish for a reason. So back in the days, although this canfish was manufactured in Guangzhou, but it was for export only up until the 80s. So growing up, it was a luxury and it was expensive. It's always a treat when you get to eat one of this. Nowadays, it's no longer scarce, but it's still really deeply loved by many and still undeniably a cultural icon. So right, check out the recipe in the description box. A big thank you for everyone that's supporting us on Patreon, and of course, subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos.